Hey guys, what's going on? This is Ben from blogwithben.com, and in this quick tutorial, we're going to be going over how to install a free WordPress theme to your blog. Now, before we get started, if you haven't set up your blog yet, head on over to blogwithben.com, follow my step-by-step guide, and you'll have your very own professional self-hosted blog up and running in less than 10 minutes. But if you've already done that, that's great. You're in the right place, so let's get started. Now, anytime you need to make a change to your blog, you're going to do so in your WordPress admin area, also known as your WordPress dashboard. So first things first is we just need to log in to our dashboard. And here we go. Now, before we make any changes, I just want to show you how easy it is to make a drastic change to your blog. So what you're looking at right here, this is just a basic sample blog that I use for my tutorials. And I have a couple of different blog posts here. And again, this is just a basic layout, but let's say for whatever reason, I decide I don't like it and I want to change the entire layout. This is how easy it is to do. So inside the dashboard, you're going to go down to Appearance and click on Themes. And then click on the Add New Theme icon. And this is going to bring us to the WordPress theme directory. And basically, this is where we can browse through all the different WordPress themes that WordPress has to offer. Now, as you can see, there are a lot to choose from, so take your time. I highly recommend that you look at the previews and you check out the demos of the theme before you settle on a theme for your blog. And this gives you, a good feel for how the blog behaves. It's just a really, really good idea to preview the theme before you settle on it. And I'll show you what I mean here. So you're just going to hover your mouse over the theme, and where it says Details and Preview, go ahead and click on that. And that's going to bring you to the demo. And again, this is just a basic demo of what the theme can do and some of the capabilities. But again, like I said, this gives you a good idea of how the theme behaves and also a good feel for the user experience as well. Now, if you look on the left-hand side, they have some stars. This one obviously doesn't have any ratings yet, but a lot of them do have ratings from other WordPress users, so that can influence the decision-making process. And then below, you can see there's a small little description as well of each theme. But again, I highly recommend whenever you're browsing the themes to check out the demos. Now, another thing to keep in mind, if you look at the upper left-hand side of the screen, they have different browsing capabilities where it says Featured, Popular, Latest Themes, and then there's also a feature filter selection. And basically, this is where you can get even more specific. If you have a specific feature in mind or a specific color, this is a way to kind of filter through those themes, and this is a cool option as well. Now, finally, you can just go to the search bar and search themes if you know the exact name of the theme, which I do. So we'll just type in name. And there we go. So once we have decided on our theme, we're just going to click on Install. In a couple seconds, you should get a successfully installed notice. Once you see that, just go ahead and click on the Activate link. And this is going to activate your theme, and you're going to be up and running and good to go. So if you remember what my blog looked like when we first started, and as you can see, how drastic of a change we made with just a few clicks of the mouse, which is amazing to me. Back in the day, you had to knock out, pages and pages of code, but now it's really at your fingertips, and it's just a click of a mouse and you can make these drastic changes, which I think it's awesome. And that's one of the million reasons why I love WordPress. Now, we're not going to really get into it too much, but if you want to make even more changes to the blog, you're going to go to Customize. And then this is where you're going to make the specific tweaks and different changes to change the appearance of the blog and kind of make it even more detailed and specific to your needs. But again, I just wanted to make a quick tutorial to show you how easy it was to change the layouts in WordPress. So with that being said, I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, suggestions, anything, swing by blogwithben.com, drop me an email. Also, while you're there, I'd love it if you would sign up for the newsletter. We can keep in touch that way. You can stay up to date with everything that's going on the blog. Also, learn how to build, grow, and monetize your blog. And then finally, if you're watching this through YouTube, I would love it if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel and you could stay up to date with all the tutorials that way. But again, I hope this was helpful, and I wish the best of luck to you guys out there, and I'll see you in the next video.